विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। आधारभूते चाध्येये धृतिरूपे धुरन्धरे ध्रुवे ध्रुवपदे धीरे जगद्धात्रि नमोऽस्तुते। हे स्वामिनाथ करुणाकर दीनबन्धो श्रीपार्वतीश मुखपङ्कजपद्मबन्धो श्रीशादिदेवगणपूजितपादपद्मवल्लीशनाथ मम देहि करावलम्बम्। ॐ नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। ॐ नमः परमहंसास्वादितचरणकमलचिन्मकरन्दाय भक्तजनमानसनिवासाय श्रीरामचन्द्राय। So, on this auspicious occasion of Skanda Shashti, we are discussing, as is our want, Valmiki Ramayana. We are in Balakanda. We have to start Sarga 50th Sarga. So as you all know, today is Skanda Shashti. So every month they celebrate one Shashti in the name of Skanda, and this is called Mahaskanda Shashti if you like, the original Skanda Shashti if you like. And we know the story of Shura Samharam, etc. And we also have seen in Balakanda itself the story of Shanmukotpatti story we have seen, which is also called Kumara Sambhavam. The inspiration for Kalidasa also, as we have been saying always, is from these incidents that have been mentioned in Ramayana. And then also this Shashti marks the beginning of Jagadhatri Puja. Jagadhatri is a form of the mother which is maybe not very widely, but then which is worshipped in Bengal and those areas in the eastern part of India. And Sri Sharada Devi, the wife of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, is believed to be an avatar of Jagadhatri Devi, and I also personally look upon her like that. So on this auspicious day we are studying, and then this Sarga brings us, brings Janaka into the picture. So great Rajarshi, a great Jnani himself, such a great Jnani, such a great Karma Yogi that Bhagavan himself gave Janaka as an example. So Karmana eva samsiddhim, Karmana eva samsiddhim some Janakadaya. So there is a shloka like that in Bhagavad Gita where Krishna himself quotes Janaka as an example for the ideal, Karma Yogi who could be a Jnani despite being in this world and ruling over a kingdom and things like that. So let us start 50th Sarga today. Atha Panchasha Sargaha. The story so far is this Ahalya Shapodharanam is over, and these people are now proceeding towards Mithila. Rama, Lakshmana, Vishwamitra, and all the other rishis that were accompanying Vishwamitra also, they are all proceeding towards Mithila. Mind you, they were in Mithilopavana. That is, let's say, on the outskirts of Mithila, and Upavana to Mithila. That is some today like we say, so greater Hyderabad or greater Mumbai, something like that. Some greater Mithila, that was some outskirts of Mithila. It was a forest area, so where Gautama had his ashrama. So these people went there on the way to Mithila. They went there. And perhaps Valmiki wantedly took Rama and Lakshmana through that route because he knows that Shapodharanam has to happen, Ahalya's Shapa has to be removed, and then next chapter, not in this chapter, when Shatananda is very enthusiastically, he asks about his mother, his father, etc. The episode, Vishwamitra very cryptically he replies, all that has to be done, I have done. He will say only that much. Whereas Shatananda asks, very excitedly he asks about these things. We will see that in the next chapter. So Vishwamitra also wantedly perhaps he took. So wantedly, when I say some kind of that Leela in not entirely disclosing Rama's avatarahood, Valmiki adds a certain beauty also to that episode, because people know and yet they don't know. Some people know and some others don't know. We also, that kind of a little secret, like when he's keeping, it is adding to the beauty of the Kavya. Be that as it may, we will start with 50th Sarga when these people are going to enter into Mithila. So, Atha Panchasha Sargaha Tatah Prag Uttaram Gatva Ramas Saumitrina Saha Vishwamitram Puraskritya Yajnavatam Upagamat. So Tataha means from that Gautama's ashrama. From there, Praguttaram gatva. Praguttara is so Prag is eastern direction and Uttara is north. So Praguttara is northeastern direction. So from that ashrama, it seems if you go in the northeast direction, you will go to Mithila. So from there, Praguttaram gatva means in the northeastern direction. So having traveled in the northeastern direction, Ramaha Saumitrina Saha Vishwamitram Puraskritya. So Vishwamitra is kind of leading all these people. So Rama along with Saumitri, that is Lakshmana. So these people who are led by Vishwamitra, Vishwamitram Puraskritya Yajnavatam Upagamat. See, mind you, here, so the if you understand Sanskrit, you will know that who's entering actually, or who's the karta, kind of the mukhya karta here is Rama. Rama along with Saumitri, they entered. He's telling Ramaha entered. In fact, he's telling Ramaha Upagamat. Rama went there. Rama went to the Yajnavati along with Lakshmana, led by Vishwamitra. So some kind of Swatantra karta, etc. The independent, or rather the some kind of hint Valmiki is throwing. The person that is actually intended there to be go, so that the kind of hero who has to go there has gone. That's the idea. So Ramaha Yajnavatam Upagama. Yajnavatam means that Yajna Pradesham, where Janaka is supposed to be doing a great yaga. So these people have entered that place. Ramastu Munishardulam Uvacha Saha Lakshmanaha Sadhvi Yajna Samruddhirhi Janakasya Mahatmanaha Bahuniha Sahasrani Nanadesha Nivasinam Brahmananam Mahabhaga Vedadhyena Shalinam ऋषिवाटाश्च दृश्यन्ते शकटी शतसंकुलाः देशो विधीयतां ब्रह्मन् यत्र वत्स्यामहे वयम्. So Ramastu Munishardulam Uvacha. So Ramastu means so other people were also looking. So Rama started asking this question. So Ramaha Munishardulam Uvacha. So this great tiger amongst Munis, that is Munishrestham Vishwamitram Uvacha. So Sahalakshmanaha, mind you, so far you must have observed everywhere whenever is Rama is speaking, they say Sahalakshmanaha, Sahalakshmana. Rama is speaking along with Lakshmana. Except in one place, if you remember, I pointed out when he was speaking for the Tataka Vadha Vrittantam, so he says that I am following my father's words, etc. At that place, not that Lakshmana doesn't follow his father's words, but then that is Rama's independent kind of opinion. So always when Rama is speaking, so far in Balakanda we have seen, except in that one place. That's why I said that we should take as Rama's first words, and then Piturvachana Nirdeshat, Piturvachana Gauravat, he says, that is Rama's independent words, you can say. So Ramaha Sahalakshmanaha, along with Lakshmana, Munishardulam Uvacha. What did he say? So Sadhvi Yajna Samruddhirhi Janakasya Mahatmanaha. So Janakasya Mahatmanaha, Mahatma, this Janaka, this Yajna Samruddhi, that is this this Yajna that is going on, the paraphernalia, etc. The glory of that Yajna is Sadhvi. So it is very appropriate, very nice to behold and things like that. Janakasya Mahatmanaha, this Mahatma Janaka's Yajna Samruddhi is very nice to see. Sadhvi, it is very nice. Bahuniha Sahasrani Nana Deshopasevina Nana Desha Nivasinam Brahmananam Mahabhaga Vedadhyena Shalinam Rishivatascha Drishyante. He Mahabhaga, he Vishwamitra. So Bahuni Rishivatascha Drishyante. So Bahuni Sahasrani, many thousands of Rishivataha. Rishivata means Rishi Nivasaha. So the places where Rishis stay. So perhaps these people, so as soon as they entered Mithila, where did they go? They went to that place where yaga is being performed, and there too, where did they go? They went to the place where all rishis, accommodation for all the rishis is made. They went to that place. So Rama is seeing that place and says, Bahuni Iha means in this place, Bahuni Sahasrani. So Nana Desha Nivasinam Brahmananam Vedadhyena Shalinam Rishivatascha Drishyante. So this Rishivataha means Rishi Nivasaha, the place where accommodation is arranged for all these rishis. So there are many, so thousands of such places we can see. And then who are these rishis and for whom has this accommodation been made? Nana Desha Nivasinam Brahmananam Vedadhyena Shalinam. So Vedadhyena Shalinam Brahmananam. So for these Brahmanas who have been, so Vedadhyena Shalinam means these people who have ever, what should I say, intent upon studying Vedas. So they are always occupied with studying Vedas. So Vedadhyanam, so you should include Adhyapanam also. So studying and teaching. So both they are doing. Nana Desha Nivasinam Brahmananam Rishivataha Drishyante. And how along not just the accommodation, not just the buildings, etc. or houses. Shakati Shata Sankulaha. Those Rishivataha are Shakati Shata Shakati is that Shakata. So cart, bullock cart maybe. So hundreds of such bullock carts are also there, and thousands of such Nivasa Sthanams are there. So these bullock carts are carrying their their yajna samagri, etc. That is yajna samagri of these people. Vedadhyena shalinam means they are also doing nityagnihotra, etc. So they also have some things to carry with them whenever they go. So such things, these shakati shata, so these hundreds of carts have been carrying them. So these people, along with their carts, they went to their place. That's the idea. So desho vidhiyatam brahman yatra vatsyamahe vayam, because there are so many accommodating, so many places of accommodation. Hey Brahman, hey Vishwamitra. So yatra vatsyamahe, yatra vayam vatsyamahe tad deshaha vidhiyatam. So where we have to reside, many accommodations, many places are there. Where should we reside amongst all these thousands of huts? He is saying, so many nivasa sthanams are there. Where should we reside? That you decide. So yatra vayam vatsya, vayam means we. So yatra vayam vatsyamahe tad deshaha vidhiyatam. So that I am bringing in. So that desha or that pradesha where we should live, that vidhiyatam. Vidhiyatam means you indicate, you ordain where we should live amongst these hundreds or thousands of nivasasthanam. Ramasya vachanam shrutva Vishwamitro Mahamunihi Nivasam akarodeshe vivikte salilanvite. So Rama Shrutva Vishwamitraha, that Mahamuni Vishwamitra, having heard those Rama's words, that is, Rama asked, where should we stay? Please indicate. So having heard those words, Nivasam akarot deshe vivikte jala salilanvite deshe nivasam akarot. So he decided. So you want to ask something? So Vivikte Salilanvite Deshe Nivasam Akarot. So Vishwamitra chose that place which is Vivikta. Vivikta is some kind of, so many people are there, so he didn't want that kind of disturbance. So some kind of solitude is there, and Salilanvite, water body is also nearby available. So some river perhaps is flowing, it is nearby available. So Salilanvite Vivikte Deshe Nivasam Akarot. So Vishwamitra decided, that is, Vishwamitra decided that we will stay here, and all of them stayed there. Vivikte Salilanvite. So Vivikte Deshe Salilanvite Deshe. That place where there is some kind of solitude, and then Salilanvite Deshe, some kind of water bodies also nearby available. So Tilakakara is telling, because Anusthana Saukaryartham. Why did he select a place like this, Vivikta Desha and then Salilanvita Desha? Because his Anushtanam, etc. can be very nicely done. I mean, conveniently done. If there is a water body, Anushtanam includes, you have to take water, offer some tarpanas perhaps, etc. All those things will be there. And also, if there are so many people, it's difficult to concentrate and meditate. Such things are there. So he chose that place. Govinda Raja is pointing out that Vivikte means Vivikte Vijane Puteva. Why? Because Vivikto Puta Vijano iti Amaraha. Amara Kosha. So in that Amara Nighantu they say. So in Amara Kosha, it's been mentioned that this Vivikta word means either Puta or Vijana. So it either means solitary place, or it means a sanctified place. So Viviktaha Deshaha means a sanctified place he chose. You can say that way. Now Salilanvite, I thought of telling this. So there is a famous Telugu Padyam. So you people must be knowing. So which is very, what should I say, twisted and made, for comic sense it is said, that is Appichuvadu Vaidyudu. So what it means in the way that people use is that one who gives loans, one who gives hand loans is a doctor. So that makes no sense. The full Padyam is Appichuvadu Vaidyudu. I may not remember. Appichuvadu Vaidyudu. Eppudu Nedatega Baru Nerun Vijudun. That's why I said this. Choppadinatti Yura Nundumu, Choppadakunnatti Yura Jorakumu Sumati. So this is from Sumati Shatakam, what the Shatakakara is telling. So you have to reside in that place where there is somebody who is readily available to lend you some money if you need. So Appichuvadu. So Appu means loan. So Appichuvadu. Then Vaidyudu. The doctor also should be there available. So it's not Appichuvadu Vaidyudu. There is no Samanadhikaranyam there. You should put one comma. So one who gives you loans. So some doctor should be available. So Eppudu Nedategaka Baru Nerun. That is what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to point out here is you should also choose that place where there is a perennial river flowing always. So if you see in our ancient culture, all what should I say, settlements were on the banks of rivers. Why? Because it has its own practical conveniences also. So you should choose that place where river bodies are there. And then Vijudun. So one Brahmana also should be there. So the idea is Sumati Shatakakarta is telling what kind of village you should live in. That's the idea. So some Brahmana should be there, because for any karmas he will help you. So if you have to do some Shraddham or Upanayanam or Kalyanam, he will be there. Anyway, the Salilanvite, I remember that, and I thought I will tell you. Eppudu Nedatagaka Baru Nerun Vijudun. So Vishwamitramanuppraptam Shrutva Nrupavarastada Shatanandam Puraskritya Purohitamaninditaha ऋत्विजोऽपि महात्मानस्त्वर्घ्यमादाय सत्वरं प्रत्युज्जगाम सहसा विनयेन समन्वितः विश्वामित्राय धर्मेण ददौ धर्मपुरस्कृतं सो विश्वामित्रमनुप्राप्तं श्रुत्वा so that Nrupavaraha is that great king Janaka tada Vishwamitram anupraptam shrutva. Thereafter he heard. Tada means after Vishwamitra settled down, so he heard from people there. So some messengers were sent perhaps that Vishwamitra has arrived. So Vishwamitram anupraptam shrutva. That is, he heard that Vishwamitra arrived there. So what did he do? Janaka Skritya Purohitam Aninditaha. So this Shatananda who's Anindita, so that great, so auspicious, and then what should I say, holy Shatananda. So he went along with Puraskritya. He kept Shatananda ahead of him, and then Ritvijaha api. So Ritvijopi Mahatmanaha Argyamadaya Satvaram Pratyujjagama. So this Janaka along with his Ritviks also, Ritvijopi Mahatmanaha Argyamadaya. So all of them took Argyam. These Ritviks also took Argyam with them. Janaka also carried some Argyam. That is, some people carried for these people. You can take it that way. Argyamadaya Satvaram. Very quickly they went. So out of great respect for Vishwamitra, Satvaram Pratyujjagama. Pratyujjagama. Prati means towards, and Ujjagama means so something like that. So he went. So he went towards Vishwamitra. Pratyujjagama Sahasa. Sahasa Vinayena Samanvita. Sahasa means so thereafter immediately he went there. At once he went. So Vinayena Samanvitaha. So with great obedience, with great Vinaya he went. So this Janaka Vishwamitraya Dharmena Dadau Dharma Puraskritam. So this Vishwamitraya. So to Vishwamitra he offered the Argyam. So Argyam Adaya Vishwamitraya Dadau. He took Argyam with him. That is, he offered Argyam to Vishwamitra. So Dharmena Dadau. Dharmena's Shastrokta Vidhi etc. he followed Dadau, and Dharma Puraskritam Argyam Dadau. This Dharma Puraskritam is an adjective to Argyam. This Dharma Puraskritam Argyam means that Argyam which gives you, so Dharma Phalam, that is Punya Phalam, it gives you such kind of Argyam. That is, he gave Argyam which is Shastrokta Vidhi, Shastra ordained Argyam. He went and offered to Vishwamitra. प्रतिगृह्यतु तां पूजां जनकस्य महात्मनः पप्रच्छ कुशलं राज्ञो यज्ञस्य च निरामयम्. So प्रतिगृह्यतु तां पूजां, so Janakasya Mahatmanaha, so that Mahatma Janaka's puja pratigrihya, that is having accepted that puja which he offered, tam pujam pratigrihya papracha kushalam rajnyaha yajnasya cha niramayam. So that Vishwamitra, so who did all this, who accepted, and who papracha means asked in return to Janaka. So who? Vishwamitra, that is not there. Excuse me. So papracha kushalam rajnyaha yajnasya cha. So he asked about the welfare of the king, that is of Janaka, and also of the Yajna, and Niramayam also Rajnyasya Yajnasya cha. Niramayam, so Niramayam in the case of Rajnyaha, that is of the king. So for the king, Niramayatvam means not having any sickness, illness, diseases, etc. Yajnasya Niramayatvam means that Yajna is being, so Yajnasya Kushalam of the Raja, you can understand. Kushalam of the Yajna is that Yajna is happening without any Vignas, and Niramayatvam for the Yajna means without any, Shastra, so that Vidhi Lopa is not there. That is without any problems or discounting in the Vidhi, without having to compromise on the Vidhi. I hope your yaga is going on very well. That is what Vishwamitra asked him. Satanscha munin prishtva Satanscha munin prishtva sopadhyaya purodhasaha yatharham rishibhis sarvaihi samagachat prakrishtavat. So Satanscha munin, so Tan munin. So after asking Janaka his welfare, all those munis which were there assembled along with Janaka, they came, Tan Muninscha Prishtva Atha, that is, he asked about their welfare also, and then what kind of people there? Sopadhyaya Purodhasaha. So Upadhyaya the Ritviks, and Purodhasa is the Purohita, which is Shatananda. So he asked about the welfare of all those assembled munis who are assembled there, Upadhyaya, and then that Upadhyayas are Ritviks, and then that Shatananda also, and then Yatharham Rishibhihi Sarvai Samagachat. So Yatharham means according to the order or protocol. This is a older Muni, is a younger Muni, something like that. So he is a greater Muni. Some kind of protocol will be there. So according to the protocol, the Vishwamitra Yatharham Sarvaihi Rishibhihi Samagachat. Samagachat means he went and hugged them. So he went and, so that Alinganam he did according to their protocol. Sarvaihi munibhihi samagam rishibhihi samagachat. Prahrishtavat. Prahrishtavat means, so Prahrishtavat means not like he's, so Prahrishtavat means as though happy. As though happy does not mean he's acting out that he's happy, though he's not happy, but he's acting, he's happy. It's not like that. Prahrishtavat means, so his alinganam is such that if somebody sees, they will see, oh, this person is very happy. So like that, he hugged in such a way that it is made known that this person is happy by hugging those rishis, etc. So atha raja munishreshtham kritanjali rabhashata asane bhagavanastam sahasair munipungavaihi janakasya vachashrutva nishasada mahamunihi पुरोधा ऋत्विजश्चैव राजा च सह मंत्रिभिः आसनेषु यथान्यायमुपविष्टाः समन्ततः. So atha raja munishrestham kritanjali rabhashata. This Raja Janaka, he spoke to that Vishwamitra rishi, and how did he speak? Kritanjali. So Kritanjali he Raja, that Raja whose Kritanjali is, though he is doing namaskara, that expresses his vinayam. So Kritanjali he Raja Munishrestham abhashata. So he spoke to that Munishreshtha, that Vishwamitra, he spoke the following words. What did he say? Asane Bhagavan Astam Sahaibhir Munipungavaihi. Maybe I read it wrongly. Asane Bhagavan Astam Sahaibhir Munipungavaihi. So He Bhagavan Vishwamitra, Asane Astam. That is, you please accept that asana. Please sit down on the asana. Saha ebhihi munipungavaihi. Along with all these munis, oh please Vishwamitra, please take a seat. That is, please sit down. Janakasya vachashrutva nishasada mahamunihi. That, so having heard those words of Janaka, that Mahamuni Vishwamitra also, he sat down on that seat, nishasada. Purodha ritvijascheva rajacha sahamantribihi asaneshu yathanyayam upavishta samantataha. So Purodha ritvijascheva. Purodha means Purohit. So that Purohita, that is Vishwamitra, and Ritvijaschaiva, all the Ritvik also, Raja cha Sahamantribihi, that Raja and all his mantris also, that is Janaka and all his ministers, Asaneshu Yathanyayam Upavishtaha, they also sat down in the asana according to whatever is their ranks, etc. Closer to Muni, closer to the Raja, such things. So Yathanyayam Upavishtaha Samantataha. Samantataha means all around Vishwamitra. So around Vishwamitra, this is Vishwamitra is a great Muni, he has come there. So he is sitting in the center and these people are sitting around that Vishwamitra. Drishtva cha nrupatistatra Vishwamitra matha bravit adya yajna samriddhirme saphala devataiः krita. So drishtva cha nrupatistatra Vishwamitra matha bravit. So tatra, so that Nrupatihi Janakaha tatra Vishwamitram drishtva atha bravit. That is, so all people sat down, they are all well settled now. Now this Raja Janaka looks at Vishwamitra. Vishwamitram drishtva atha bravit. That is, he started speaking the following words. Adya yajna samriddhirme saphala devataih krita. Hey Vishwamitra, today I consider that my yajna samriddhi, that is this yajna karya that I am doing, has been so fructified. Devataihi saphala krita. This yajna samriddhi has been, this activity of mine has been brought to success by the grace of Devata. So Daivataihi Saphala Krita, that is, it has been rendered well accomplished by the blessings of Devatas. Adya Yajna Phalam Praptam Bhagavad Darshananmaya Dhanyosmi Anugrahitosmi Yasyame Munipungavaha Yajnopasadanam Brahman Praptosi Munibhis Saha. So Adya Yajna Phalam Praptam Bhagavad Darshananmaya. So this Bhagavad Darshanan, so by the darshana of Bhagavan, Maya Adya Yajna Phalam Praptam, I have obtained the Yajna Phalam. That is, whatever phalam that I have to get for because of this Yajna. The Yajna is not yet over. He is going to say 12 more days are left for the Yagam, but it looks like today itself I have got the result of this Yajna by Bhagavad Darshana, by the darshana of this Bhagavan. That is, this Bhagavan here can mean Vishwamitra, or subtly it can mean that Yajna being a Jnani, he knows that is Rama is Bhagavan. So Bhagavad Darshanat Maya Adya Yajna Phalam Praptam. That is Adyaiva Yajna Phalam Praptam. You can take it that way. 12 days are left, he is going to say. So 12 days are still left for the Yajnam, but as though today itself I have got the result of my Yagam. Dhanyosmi Anugrahitosmi. So now I consider myself accomplished. Dhanyaha is, so you can say somebody who's who's having gratitude, or dhanyaha means somebody who has accomplished. Okay, so dhanyata means accomplishment. So that sense of accomplishment, today I have obtained that sense of accomplishment. Dhanyosmi, anugrihitosmi. Anugrihitosmi is I consider myself very well blessed. Anugrihitaha yasya me. So why? Because yasya me munipungavaha. So yasya me yajnopasadanam munipungavaha brahman praptosi munibhis saha tvam praptosi. So he munipung. So he munipungavaha. So brahman, he brahman praptosi munibhis saha. So tvam praptosi munibhis saha. So you have come here to my yajnopasadanam, means this place where this place where the yajnas can. So yajna upasadanam, yajna is being conducted there, and the accommodation is somewhere close by. So that yajnopasadanam. So yajnopasadanam, hey Brahman praptosi, you have come here. Munibhis saha praptosi, along with all these munis, you have come here. Therefore, I consider myself well accomplished, and that is I remain thankful, and I consider myself very well blessed. द्वादशाहं तु ब्रह्मर्षे दीक्षा माहुर मनीषिणः तथो भागार्थिनो देवान् द्रष्टुमर्हसि कौशिका. So hey Vishwamitra, you might say, okay, I have come, I have seen your yaga, I will go back now. Don't say that. Dvadashaham tu brahmarshe, hey Brahmarshi Vishwamitra, Dvadashaham diksha mahur manishinaha. So manishinaha means, here those manishinaha means people in general or wise people, but here manishinaha means those ritviks who are conducting the yaga. They are saying Dvadashaham, that is still 12 more days is there. That is the idea. Dvadashaham means days. So Dvadashaham, so Diksham Ahur Manishina. Dvadashaham Diksham Ahuhu. So these Manishina Ritviks are telling 12 more days you have to be in Diksha. That is 12 more days. The yaga is yet to be conducted for 12 more days. Tataha Bhagarthinaha Devan Drashtumarhasi Kaushika. Hey Kaushika Vishwamitra. Tataha means after completion of those 12 more days, Bhagarthinaha Devan. So these devatas who will come to receive their yajna bhaga, the conclusion of the yaga, they will come to take their yajna bhaga. Those people also you see and go. That is, he is telling Bhagarthinaha Devan Drashtumarhasi. You should stay and see those devatas also who come to take their yajna bhaga, etc. इत्युक्त्वा मुनिशार्दूलं प्रहृष्टवचनस्तदा पुनस्तं परिपप्रच्छ प्राञ्जलिः प्रयतो नृपः. So here now again ityuktva munisha, so having said these words, ityuktva munishardulam prahishtavachanaha tada punastam paripapracha. So this with very happy, he was very happy. Prahishtavachanaha. So this Janakaha, that Raja, munishardulam tada punaha paripapracha. So once again he asked this Muni Vishwamitra, he asked something. He's going to ask this. He's going to ask, who are these princes who have come with you? So ityuktva munishardulam prahishtavachanaha tada punaha tam munishardulam paripapracha. So he asked that Munishardula Vishwamitra again, once again. That is after saying these things, that my yajnas, I consider my yajna successful, etc. So he's asking the following words. And how is he asking? Pranjalihi prayaton nrupaha. Prayaton nrupaha, that is this nrupa with great obedience and doing namaskara, etc. That Nrupa Janaka is asking the following question. So if you see these shlokas, exactly what we have seen when that Vishala Desha, these people have gone to Vishala Nagari, the same kind of questions that King Sumati also asked. So same question Janaka is also asking. Imau Kumaro Bhadram te Devatulya Parakramau Gajatulya Gati Virau Shardula Vrishabhopamau Padmapatra Vishalakshau Khadgatuni Dhanurdharau Ashvinaviva Rupena Samupasthita Yuvvano Yadrichayeva Gam Praptau Devalokadivamaro Katham Padbhyamiha Praptau Kimartham Kasyava Mune Varayudhadharo Viro Kasya Putro Mahamune Bhushayanta Vimam Desham Chandrasurya Vivambaram Parasparasya Sadrishau Pramanengita Cheshtitau Parasparasya Sadrishau Pramanengita Cheshtitaihi Kaka Pakshadharo Viro Shrotumichhami Tatvataha He Mune Aham Tatvataha Shrotumichhami. I definitely want to know in entirety who are these people. Imau Kumaro. So I want to know who are these two young boys. Bhadramte, may good happen to you. Devatulya Parakramo. They are looking like their prowess is equal to Devatas itself. So Devatulya Parakramo, Gajatulya Gati Viro. So I have told this earlier also. This Gajatulya Gati, that is their gait is equal to Gaja. So Gaja Shardula Gati, I think we have seen there. So they're so in majesty, very majestically they are walking. Their gait is very majestic to look at. Shardula Vrishabhopamau. So these people to look at. So either, like I said earlier, you can take that Rama is looking like a tiger and Lakshmana is looking like a Rishabha. So that is, both are Shrestha that way. Or Shardula Rishabhopamo, both of them are looking like both. So in majesty and in and Sharira, Avayavas, etc., in height, things like that. So they are looking like Shardula and Rishabha. Padmapatra Vishalakshav Khadgatuni Dhanudharau. So this shloka is not there in Tilakakara's Patha. Only Govindaraja has this one half line. Padmapatra Vishalakshav Khadgatuni Dhanudharau. So their eyes are very wide. So wide like the petals of a lotus. Padmapatra Vishalakshav Khadgatuni Dhanudharau. So they are holding this Khadga. Tuni is those quivers and Dhanus is that bow. So they are holding bow and arrows and these Khadga. And then Ashvinamiva Rupena Samupasthita Yavvanau. In beauty, in their Rupa, they are looking like those Ashwini Kumara's twins who are and then Samupasthita Yavvanau. That is, so Ashvinamiva Samupasthita Yavvanau, you can say, or you can say Rupena Ashvinaviva. In beauty, they are looking like Ashvina, and then Samupasthita Yavvanau you can take separately and say they are, so according to their, so they look like they have come of age. That is the idea of, so meaning of Samupasthita Yavvanau. Yadrichayaiva gam praptau. So they have come to earth by their own accord. So as though they have come to this earth by their own accord. That is just to do vihara. They have come. All of us come to this loka by because of our karma phalam. But these people look like they have come on this earth by their own accord. That is for leela they have come. Yadrichayaiva gam praptau devaloka divamaro. Like devatas come to this. So from devalokas, these amaras, that is devatas, come to this earth just for leela. Swaira viharam it is called. So that is for their own leela, that is for just to sport or enjoy this place they have come. So it looks like these people are devatas who have come for heaven to roam about in the earth, on the earth. Yadrichayaiva gam praptau devaloka divamaro katham padbhyamiha praptau kimartham kasyava mune. So katham padbhyamiha praptau, how did they come all this way? All forests they must have crossed. So if not many, at least this Mithilopavana they should have crossed and come. Maybe they came from Vishala, but in between this Mithilopavana is there. So how did they come? So they are very Sukumara, very tender like. So very, what should I say? Very, what should I say? So that those whatever beautiful tender princes they are, how did they come through this forest which is filled with thorns, animals, etc.? Katham padbhyamiha praptau. They have come barefooted, that too. That is, they have come on their foot. Maybe you can take it that way. Maybe not barefooted, but they have come walking. So katham padbhyamiha praptau kimartham. So for what purpose have they come here? Kasyava mune. So kimartham. So kasya kimartham. You can take it that way. I told this earlier also. So what purpose of that Bhagavan they have come? So kam Brahma. So for kasya means Brahmanaha. So for what purpose of that Brahma or what purpose of Vishnu, Ishvara, they have come here. So what purpose they have come for? So to solve what purpose, to serve what purpose have they come here? Varayudha dharo Viro Kasya Putro Mahamune. So these Varayudha dharo, these Viro, these these heroes, Varayudha dharo, they are holding great ayudhams in their hands. Kasya Putro He Mahamune, whose children are these two people? Bhushayanta Vimam. So Imam Desham Bhushayanto Chandra Surya Iva Ambaram. So like Chandra and Surya ornament the Ambara sky, these people are ornamenting this Desha. So Imam Desham Bhushayanto. They are kind of beautifying the place by their mere presence. How? Like Chandra Surya Ambaram Iva. Like Chandra and Surya beautify the sky by their mere presence. Parasparasya sadrishau. So both of them look to be a match for each other. There is no other person with whom you can compare these people in their prowess, etc. Parasparasya sadrishau pramana ingita cheshtitaihi. In their height, pramana I told you height, and ingita is so their manobhavas, their mental attitudes, etc. And cheshtita is their physical, what should I say, physical havabhavas, you say, that is physical expressions, etc., those mannerisms, etc. They are looking as a match for each other. Nobody can be equal to these people. Nobody is even an example for these people. Kaka Pakshadharau Virau Shrotum Ichhami Tatpataha. Kaka Pakshadharau. So Kaka Pakshadharau, long back we have seen when Vishwamitra goes to bring Dasharatha, so goes to bring Rama and Rama from Dasharatha. So Dasharatha uses this words Kaka Pakshadharam Viram. So that Rama, he uses this Kakapaksha Dharam as an example, as an adjective. There we have seen. So Kakapaksha Dharau, the prominent kind of meaning that Kakapaksha Dharau has is they have these long jet black curly hair, so like a crow, you know, their hair is black like crow. So Kaka Paksha Dharau Viro. So who are these people? So Shrotum Ichchami Tattvataha. I want to know. I'm really genuinely interested to know who these people are. So or you can say I am interested in knowing who these people really are. That way also Tattvataha you can take. तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा जनकस्य महात्मनः न्यवेदयदमेयात्मा पुत्रौ दशरथस्य तौ. So this that tasya tadvachanam shrutva, so tasya janakasya mahatmanah janakasya tadvachanam, that is all the words that has been spoken now shrutva. So this Vishwamitra, what did he do? So ameyatma, this ameyatma Vishwamitraha, ameyatma means, so he is so great that, you know, his greatness cannot be measured. That is the meaning of ameyatma. So Dasharathasya tau Dasharathasya putrau nyavedayat, that is, he informed this Janaka that these two people, these two princes are the children of this Dasharatha Chakravarti. Dasharathasya putrau tau nyavedayat. सिद्धाश्रम निवासं च राक्षसानां वधं तथा तत्रागमनम् अव्यग्रं विशालायाश्च दर्शनम् अहल्या दर्शनं चैव गौतमेन समागमं महाधनुषि जिज्ञासां कर्तुमागमनं तथा. So Siddhashrama Nivasam, how from Ayodhya they came to Siddhashrama, which is Vishwamitra's place of residence at that time. So how he came there, Rakshasanam Vadham, that is those Maricha and Subahu and all those other Rakshasas who accompanied them. So Rakshasanam Vadham, how they put an end to them. And then Tatra Agamanam, Avyagram Aganam, that is, how did they come till that place also without any fear? Avyagram Agamanam means they are coming without any fear. They came there without any fear. Though they look like young small boys, small kids. In fact, both of them are around 16 years only. So they have come there, but without any fear. Avyagram, they came there. Tatra Avyagram Agamanam, how they came without any fear. Because he asked, no, Katam Padhyamiha Prapto. So how did they come walking? So Vishwamitra is telling, you might think that these people are children, how could they travel on foot, etc. But these people came without any fear, even though it was filled with animals, Rakshasas, etc. All these forests, they came without any fear. And then Vishalayascha Darshanam, how they went through Vishala, how they saw Vishala Nagari, etc. Ahalya Darshanam Chaiva, after that Vishala Nagari, they came to Mithilopavana and saw Ahalya there. Ahalya Darshanam Chaiva, Gautamena Samagamam. So Gautamena Ahalyayaha Samagamam, you can say, or Gautamena, these people themselves met. So Samagamam means meeting of Ahalya and Gautama, or meeting of Gautama by these people, because Gautama also came to that, you know, that episode there. Mahadhanushi Jignasam Kartum Agamanam Tatha. And why did they come here to this Mithila Nagari? Why did they come? Because Mahadhanushi Jignasam Kartum. So they wanted to know about that great Dhanush which is there in your you know, Puja Griha. The Shiva Dhanush is there. I told them that this Mithila, you know, Raja Janaka is doing a great yaga, and that Mithila Raja has this great Shiva Dhanush. So these people being princes, they were interested in knowing about it. So how will it look? How can we, you know, how can we string the bow, etc. So these people were interested. For that sake, Agamanam Tatha means. So after all this, they came till Mithila also to see that Dhanush which you have with you in your Puja Griha. Etat Sarvam Mahateja Janakaya Mahatmane Nivedya Viraramatha Vishwamitro Mahamunihi. So that Mahateja Vishwamitraha, so Janakaya Mahatmane Etat Sarvam Nivedya, so that Vishwamitra, Mahateja Vishwamitra spoke all this. So he informed Janaka, Mahatma Janaka, to that Mahatma Janaka, he informed all this. Etat Sarvam Nivedya, having informed Virarama, Atha Mahamunihi Virarama. Then this Vishwamitra Mahamuni, he gave a, you know, Virarama, he concluded his speech, you know. So when you see, when Mahatmas speak, they give Anugraha Bhashanam. At the end of the Bhashanam, they also say, so I am giving Virama for my words here, like that. So he also stopped there. He spoke everything that he has to say. Very briefly, he told about this Rama and Lakshmana, and then he stopped there. So Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adi Kavye Balakande Panchasha Sargaha. So we have finished 50th Sarga. Now in the next chapter we will see this Ahalya Darshanam Chaiva Gautamena Samagamam. When this was told, there was this one person, very attentively he was listening. As soon as he heard this sentence, his curiosity started, and this Shatananda, he is going to ask, how did it happen? How are they? How did all that go? So he's the son of God. All that will come in the next chapter. The son of this Gautama and Ahalya, and he asked about his parents, especially about Ahalya, etc. How Rama went and did what has to be done. He asks in detail. Vishwamitra in one sentence he finishes and saying all that has to be done has been done. Only that much Vishwamitra says. So Shabdananda understands all that happened. Okay, so we will stop here. If there is anything, you can ask me. Om yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam tatra tatra krita mastakaanjalim Bashpavari paripurnalocanam Marutim namata rakshasantakam. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. हरि ओम तत्सत श्री रामार्पणमस्तु।